Makom, the Israel Education Lab of the Jewish Agency, has been thinking and working with Israel education for a good while.
I was looking for a new way to approach Israel education,
to demystify some of the complexity, to allow multiple entry points into the topic.
I realized that the Israel conversation taking place in America, in New York, wasn't just working anymore.
I want to make Israel accessible to my students and also my community, which doesn't feel very engaged with Israel.
I try to make sure that we are teaching Israel in a very substantial way. I felt like this Qushiyot program, the way that it gives us a frame through which to really organize our teaching around Israel, was going to be really helpful.
Qushiyot is a year-long Israel Education Fellowship. It empowers and supports educators to learn authentically about Israel and to develop meaningful and relevant learning experiences for their students back at their home site.
The unique quality of Qushiyot is the questions.
Together we've built this process whereby the frame of 4 Hatikva questions works its way through the trip in Israel, the itinerary, the training, and back to the curriculum writing back in New York to produce a project which over the last couple of years we're extremely proud of and enjoying.
To see the land, experience the land, see all the colors of the rainbow come to life in Israel through the lens of Qushiyot.
You're learning more, you're getting exposed to new ideas, I have new insights. You need to continue to challenge yourself to get new experiences here.
We believe at the Jewish Education Project that the key to forming a long-lasting relationship with Israel is to openly engage with questions and challenges that are facing Israel today.
We spent 8.5 really intense days together where we've brainstormed and shared ideas, and I've learned from the others in the cohort as well.
You're sitting with people who are invested in thinking critically and creatively about how to teach Israel, and know that that's the kind of energy that you need to bring when you are interacting with young people.
One of the greatest highlights was when we went to Beit Ha'ir, which is a museum in Tel Aviv. We had an opportunity to learn from an educator and then to practice translating that experience for somebody else.
I loved meeting with the individuals that are active in the Orthodox gay community in Jerusalem.
The opportunity to visit the West Bank, to me, it helped to get a better understanding of being able to frame the different ideas at play in that area.
The beauty of this is that now I have a group of people who I can turn to put together ideas in a way that I would not know myself.
Educators who are part of Qushiyot are joining a growing network of Jewish educators who are delving deeper into Israel education, helping their students form lifelong relationships with Israel, and developing meaningful and relevant learning experiences for their students.